Greetings, Dan Daniels here. This is my continuing test of Google Workspace Professional, and one of the test situations that I want is, can Gemini help me complete a request for a proposal by prompting for user information. Let me show you what I mean. I have this document, request for proposal, and you can see there's a bunch of variables, company name, etc., goals, and dates and numbers. This is just, it's a generic form, nothing super exciting about it. So I select the form, and let's close this so you see what's going on. And I start it up again, and I'm going to write at request for proposal, identify the variables in this document. And it's actually surprisingly slow for me. It seems slow. All right, so it grabbed some of them, and now yeah, you got this calendar and chat doesn't work. That's fine. And now, what other suggestions that it can do? Nothing that I need. So generate, let's say just generate a Google sheet with these variables as the header. Yeah, can't help with that. So this kind of document, and I'm not going to be fair, or maybe I'm going to be fair. Let's take this document, control, actually, you know what, I'll download it as a, I'll download it as a Word document. And okay, so it's downloaded right there. So let's take this very same prompt that I used here, and we'll take it over to Claude, which is now the big boy on the block. And we go to Claude.AI. I do have a license for Claude. I'm going to add content, and it's on the desktop. Or was on the desktop. Yeah, it's in my downloads. Open, and identify the variables in this document. Create a CSV using the headers using the variables as the header of the CSV. Not super complicated. Let's see what happens. and boom. So here is the CSV. Let's go ahead and pop that into. Let's go ahead and actually Notepad's fine. Control N, Control V, and there it is. You can see that I've got my CSV, which Google couldn't create a Google Sheet. Let's go back to this and ask it to rewrite, and let me see if I can edit this. Okay, export it. Export. Sorry, you can't see it because the screen is off. The recorder is off frame. Export the header. Export the CSV as an Excel file, XLS file. Let's see if it can do that. Okay. So what it did actually is even better. It wrote a Python script to do the same thing, and as it happens, I've got a cursor here in the background, and let's go ahead, close that, Control N, Control V, Alt file save as. We'll call this create XLS.py. Create XLS.py. I'm going to drop it on the desktop. Save. And now I'm going to run it. I don't have all of the. Let's see. Actually, we'll go ahead and do it. Pip. Let's see if this works. Control C. Okay, it looks like it installed. And now let's run it again. Okay, and let's reveal in File Explorer, and there it is, and it includes all of the headers. So Claude clearly was able to do, with a few more steps, was able to do something that Google refused to do. I can't help with actually creating a Google Sheet from a form, from a document that is in its Google Drive. So I give that a big negative. Cannot generate spreadsheets from variables found in a Google Doc. There it is. Thank you for watching, and if this has been helpful, please click the subscribe and like buttons. Thank you for watching, and happy computing.